Hi, I'm Mikah. Today I'll be showing you a variation of a sun salutation using a chair while standing. Using a chair as a prop for a sun salutation can be a great option because it doesn't require you to get up and down, over and over again. So it's just a more accessible option for a lot of bodies. Let's get started. First, make sure you have some kind of sturdy chair that's not going to slide around. Maybe put it on your mat or on the carpet and give it a little test first. Okay, and then stand about a foot or two behind the tall edge of the chair. And we'll start really slow, just breaking the sun salutation down into little parts, and then we'll put it all together with the breath. Okay, so bring your hands to your heart. Stand up tall. You can let your eyes close for a minute while we center. Let your shoulders be soft. Notice the bottoms of your feet connected down onto the mat. And then let's take just one big breath in together, in through the nose, and sigh it out the mouth, feeling all tension release. Open your eyes, and we'll start by reaching your arms up, lifting the chest and sending the hips just a bit forward. And then bring your hands down to the chair into a forward fold, a soft bend of the knees. Step your left foot back so you're in a lunge. You can stay connected to the chair. Check in with your front knee and make sure it's not way past your front ankle. You want it right above. And then step that foot back all the way for our chair version of down dog. So your ears come in between your shoulders. You have a light bend in the knees, and it's like you're stretching, you're pushing back away from the chair. Then we'll step a little bit forward, lean forward, so send your hips forward a bit, lift the chest, shoulder blades squeeze into a cobra, and then step back to the down dog. All right, this time we'll step the left foot forward into our lunge. Check in with the knee, make sure it's not going past. And then step the back foot forward into a forward fold connected to the chair. Bend your knees, reach up and stand up. Get really tall. And then bring your hands down to your heart. So that is one round of the sun salutation. Let's add a little inhale and exhale into the movement. If you need to play this video a couple of times to get the hang of it, that's totally fine. That's what it's here for. Bring your hands to your heart. And then inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, fold forward, hands come down to the chair, soft bend in the knees. Inhale, step your left foot back to a lunge. Check in with your front knee. If you need to adjust, do so. Exhale, step the front foot back into your down dog. Inhale, step forward, come into your cobra. Shift the hips forward, lift the heart. Exhale, step back to your down dog. Inhale, step the left foot forward to your lunge. And exhale, step the back foot forward, forward fold over the chair. Bend your knees and rise all the way up on the inhale. And then exhale, hands return down to your heart. So let's run through that 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold over the chair, release your head. Inhale, step the left foot back, and maybe, if you feel steady, sweep your arms up, lift the heart. Exhale, hands down to the chair, step back to your down dog, ears in between your shoulders. Inhale, step forward a bit, and then shift forward into your cobra, lifting the heart, shoulder blades moving together. And then exhale, step back to your down dog. Inhale, step your left foot forward this time into your lunge, and maybe try sweeping your arms up. Exhale, hands return to the chair. Step the back foot forward, forward fold. Inhale, bend the knees and reach all the way up. Lift your heart, get really tall. And then exhale, hands return to heart center. One more time. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold over the chair, release. Soft bend to the knees. Inhale, step the left foot back. Maybe bring your arms up. Exhale, arms come down. Step the front foot back to down dog. Inhale, step forward a bit and come into your cobra. Shift your weight forward. Exhale, step back to down dog. Inhale, step the left foot forward into your lunge. This time, maybe reach your arms up, lifting the heart. And then exhale as your hands come down. You step forward and release into your forward fold over the chair. Inhale, bend the knees and rise up. And exhale, hands come to your heart. Close your eyes for a minute and check in. Notice how just that little bit of movement can affect your energy. Now open your eyes and return to your day. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked that sun salutation, if you enjoyed practicing yoga with me, then I would love to invite you to come on over to Lifelong Yoga, my online yoga studio, to be a monthly member. Today, I just uploaded a 30-minute standing chair yoga class that actually includes that sun salutation we just learned. So if you want to try to put it into practice, into an actual yoga class, then come on over. Thank you and have a wonderful, wonderful day. See you next time.